वेल, कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर के बारे में हम बात कर चुके हैं। कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर की हम पहले वीडियो में हमने बताया कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर क्या होता है, रियल नंबर्स और कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर क्या अंतर है। सारे रियल नंबर कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर होते हैं। हमने बताया कि कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर में ऑर्डर प्रॉपर्टी नहीं होती। लॉ ऑफ ट्रोपोटॉमी में जो है इक्वल टू होता है, लेस देन ग्रेटर देन हम नहीं बताया। उसके बाद हमने कंजुगेट की बात की, हमने मॉडुलस की बात की, हमने उसके आर्गुमेंट की बात की। हमारी सेकंड वीडियो में हमने उसके फर्दर हमने कंजुगेट के सवाल किए और तीसरी वीडियो में हमने क्यूब रूट ऑफ यूनिटी ओमेगा के सवाल किए। कई लोगों ने कहा कि सफिशिएंट नहीं है, हो सकता है सर आप थोड़े से और सवाल करो और बढ़िया तरह बताओ, और हम इसका प्रयास में आज करूंगा कि कुछ और सवाल डिस्कस करेंगे। वी विल हैव 2-3 मोर वीडियो, 2-3 वीडियो और निकाल के आपको बताएंगे कि किस प्रकार के सवाल और आ सकते हैं। मैं कोशिश करूंगा। सो आज के सवाल में मैं कंजुगेट और मॉडुलस को मिला के दोनों पे बात करूंगा। तो पहली बात मेरा यहाँ है, लेट मान लो कि z मेरा कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर है a प्लस आयोटा b और z बार जो है a माइनस आयोटा b। हमारे पास इसका कंजुगेट में क्या होता है कि आयोटा की जगह पर हम माइनस आयोटा हम लिख देंगे, तो ये हमारे पास एक कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर की बात आई। z को हम यहाँ पर z को a प्लस आयोटा b रखेंगे। तो एक बात और, यदि ये z बराबर z बार हो, यदि ऐसा हो a प्लस आयोटा b और a माइनस आयोटा b है, तो a कैंसिल और 2 आयोटा b is equal to 0, it means b is equal to 0. Therefore this number z is a real. z is a real. यदि हमारे पास z is equal to z बार है तो वो एक रियल वाला अंक होगा। ये एक रियल होगा कि जब उसके अंदर z और z बार हमारे इक्वल हैं, तो दैट विल बी आवर, दिस विल बी रियल वन। और z और z बार इक्वल टू है तो इसका मतलब z, इफ z इज रियल, ओके, then what, then z and z bar are equal. और यदि if z is purely imaginary friends, purely imaginary, okay, what it is what, imaginary. Well, z is equal to, then it will be purely imaginary. Then what happens, suppose z is equal to purely imaginary, so what happens, suppose z is equal to 4 iota, then what is z is equal to minus 4 iota. So clearly z bar is equal to minus z. So when z is a purely imaginary, then z is equal to, z bar is equal to minus z. This is the one. So we have got this property. First, this is the one. Second one is if I add z and if I multiply z to z bar, if I just a plus iota b and a minus iota b, so what happens is equal to a square iota square b square, or this is equal to a square plus b square, and this is equal to modulus of z plus square. This result I have already dealt to you. I told you this result earlier also. Z into z bar is equal to modulus of z square. This is there in the, हमने इसको पहले डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, हमारे पास ये होगा। ओके, दिस z, हमने एक बात और कही, z1 और z2 का बार करेंगे तो z1 बार और z2 बार आएगा। z1 प्लस में z1 प्लस z2 का बार करूंगा तो ये अलग अलग हो जाएगा। ओके, दिस इज वन, एंड इफ आई क्वोशंट के मामले में होगा तो उसके बाद भी z1 अपॉन z2 बार इज इक्वल टू z1 बार अपॉन z2 बार, ये होगा। सो दिस इज द वन टू, व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ दिस इज देयर। वेल, वी हैव गॉट z इज इक्वल टू z बार है। व्हाट इज this complex number? If I put it here, represented by a or b, this is a origin, this is a point P representing z, or to conjugate I told you a minus iota b, this is the opposite of this. So conjugate, what is argument of z must be equal to minus argument of z bar. This is here, if this is theta, this is equal to minus. We discuss this point. हमने बात पहले कर चुके हैं कि ये हमारे सवाल हमने, मैं एक बात करना चाहूँगा बिफोर आई गो टू सम क्वेश्चन। मैं एक रिजल्ट प्रूव करना चाहूँगा, वो रिजल्ट मेरे पास ये हो। मैं Z1 और Z1 प्लस Z2 के स्केयर से शुरू करता हूँ, तो दिस इज इक्वल टू Z1 प्लस में Z2 into Z1 plus में Z2 bar. Property here we use the property. The conjugate, this multiplication is equal to Z1 plus में Z2 is this modulus. This is what I go with this now is if I have ये हमारा हो गया, तो मुझे करना है ये this is equal to Z1 plus में Z2 into Z1 bar. हम इसको अलग अलग कर सकते हैं। आइए लेट्स मल्टीप्लाई Z1 बार प्लस में Z2 into Z2 into Z2 बार, Z2 बार प्लस में Z1 बार Z2. Let's open the brackets. Friend here Z1 or modulus square plus modulus of Z2 square plus this is a conjugate of this. This is conjugate of this. When a complex number is added to its conjugate, is twice of real part of this. When you add a conjugate with a complex number, this becomes the twice of this. This twice of this. This is a conjugate of this. Therefore, twice of the real part of Z1, Z2 bar. Well, I got this. Now my question is, if this becomes 0, if real part of Z1, Z2 is equal to 0, then this property Z1 plus Z2 whole square is equal to this. This is equal to this. This property holds. This property holds when this is equal to this is 0. It means Z1, Z2 bar is purely imaginary. It means purely imaginary. This is a purely imaginary. Well, friend, this is a purely imaginary. That's when purely imaginary, it means its conjugate Z1, Z2 conjugate is minus of this. This means Z1 conjugate and Z2 conjugate to conjugate is equal to minus Z1, Z2 this. Or friend, Z1 upon Z2 is equal to minus Z1, Z2 conjugate. Here, let's this. Z1, Z2 is equal to minus of this. This means Z1 upon Z2 is purely imaginary. Well, this is my first condition. This will hold when Z1 upon Z2 is purely imaginary. This is equal to modulus of Z1 square plus modulus of Z2 square if and only if this is a purely imaginary. It means what? Purely imaginary means argument of Z1 upon Z2 purely imaginary. How about the art? 90 degree. It means argument of Z1 minus argument of Z2 is equal to 90 degree. Another condition for that. This is another condition for this. So we have this condition to go when modulus of Z1 Z2 whole square is equal to modulus of Z1 Z2. Okay, friend. This means this is only possible when Z1 upon Z2 is purely imaginary or argument of Z1 minus argument of Z2 is equal to 90. Well, friend, let's go further. Let's make this is equal to 1. This is equal to 1. This is equal to I just say modulus of Z1 Z2 0. If I make it not 1, friends, I am not talking about this. I want to make it purely real. If they are purely imaginary, then purely okay. I don't want to do the relation. I will find from another way. I use another method to find this result. Give me another chance. I'll do by another polar method. I'll do the question. I'll be doing another relationship that will be based on same thing. I'll go with this. I have Z1 Z2 square means R1 Z1 is equal to R1 into cos theta 1 plus iota into sin theta 1 plus में R2 into cos theta 2 plus iota into sin theta 1. Okay, this is the square of this. Well, when I find this real part, I find the magnitude. Okay, let me write one sentence. Sin square theta 2 plus 2 R1 R2 into sin theta 1 sin theta. What I get it now, R1 square plus R2 square plus 2 R1 R2 into cos theta 1 minus theta 1. I'll do the question. This is modulus of Z1 square plus modulus of Z2 square plus 2 R1 R2 and this one. I got the two relationship now. First one which I proved just now. If this is equal to what? 0. 0 means this is equal to this, then cos theta 1 minus theta 2, this is equal to 0, it means theta 1 minus theta 2 is equal to 90. Just I proved argument of Z1 minus argument of Z2 is equal to 90. I just had this earlier. Second one, if cos theta 1 minus theta 2 is equal to 1, 1 means theta 1 minus theta 2 is equal to 0. It means argument of Z1 minus argument of Z2 is equal to 0. It means argument Z1 upon Z2 is equal to 0. It means Z1 upon Z2 is real. This is real. Z1 earlier it was imaginary, now it is equal to real. Then what happens? If this is a real, this is equal to what it becomes. It becomes modulus of Z1 square plus modulus of Z2 square plus 2 modulus of Z1 or Z2 when it is equal to, if it is equal to 1. This is equal to modulus of Z1 plus modulus of Z2 its whole square. It means this is square. Modulus of Z1 plus Z2 is equal to, in this case, modulus of Z1 plus Z2. When this is a this is 1 to here. Come when this is equal to real. When argument of Z1 minus equal to argument of Z2, they are equal here. This is one result I want to find. When Z1 upon Z2 is real means its conjugate is equal to itself. It means Z1 bar is equal to Z1 or Z2 bar. They are equal, both of them are equal. That's the relationship I want to find out. Before I close my talk, I must see 2-3 questions I want to do. I want to do 2-3 questions. Let's see what this question, how conjugate will be used to do these questions. Suppose if x plus iota y is equal to 3 minus 4 iota into x upon 3 plus 4 iota into x, then what is x square plus y square is equal to? Answer is 1, answer is 4x, answer is 12x square, and d is equal to 7x. My question. Dear friend, this question is, I take the liberty to find its conjugate. X minus iota y is equal to 3 plus 4 iota x divided by, and now I multiply this with this. So here left hand side it is this and right side cancel, it is equal to 1. So answer is equal to 1. So you find the conjugate and get the answer like this. This is here. So similar question here. If x plus iota y is equal to 2 plus iota, 2 plus 2 iota and 2 plus 3 iota. Find what is x square plus y square is equal to. So choices are 5 to 0, 5, 560, 580 and 590. So let me take the conjugate x minus iota y, 2 minus iota, 2 minus 2 iota and 2 minus 3 iota. Let's multiply similarly what we have done on the right hand side. 4 minus iota square is 4 minus iota square. It is equal to 5. 4 plus 4, this is 4 plus this is equal to 8. This is equal to 30. Answer is 40 into 30. The answer is 520. That's the other question. This is the question to go. Here we have the question. We use the conjugate to find the answer. This is the one. This is the way to do the question based on the conjugate. What is the conjugate of in which quadrant? 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 Okay. This lies the conjugate of 2 plus 3 iota lies. Okay. So what is conjugate of 3 plus iota is equal to what? 3 minus iota. It means x positive 1. Which quadrant? It is equal to what? Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, x positive, y negative. Fourth quadrant. If z plus 3 and z bar 3 is equal to, if this is equal to what? Modulus of z plus 3, b z square minus 9, c z plus 3 whole square, and d it is equal to modulus of z square plus 9. Friend, this question z plus 3, this I can write z plus 3 conjugate, and z plus z conjugate is equal to modulus of this square. So you find the question like this, where you can use the conjugate and do the question in no time. So I have today discussed with you the basic question on conjugate again. Hopefully you understand. Thank you.